Well, howdy, folks. It's Captain Banana with yet another video. I know what you're thinking. We haven't seen hide nor hair of this idiot in over 3 months, and now 2 videos in a row. Oh my God, we got to put up with this crap again? But hey, bear with me. I have some good content. A lot better than, well, today I woke up and I drove and I shut down, and I woke up and I drove and I shut down like my other videos were. Well, let's face it, the other videos, they were kind of boring. But today's video is about Thieves. Oh yeah, and it's Thursday, November 10th, 2022. So yeah, today's video is about Thieves. When I fueled up in Hubbard, Ohio, I topped off my tanks. Needle on the gas gauge was all the way, well, not all the way up on full, but close enough. And then I just, drove over, shut down, parked for the night, did a proper post trip, made sure my fuel caps were properly mounted and secured. Got up in the morning, did my pre-trip, made sure my fuel caps were properly mounted and secured, amongst everything else that goes along with it. When I shut down at the last rest area on I-80 in Indiana, Indiana, right before you get to Illinois, right as you get off the Ohio, be the Indiana Turnpike. Yeah, back and forth, Ohio, Indiana, Ohio. Just, one day blurs into the next. Anyway, so as I got off the Indiana Turnpike, stopped at the rest area, did a post trip, made sure my fuel caps were properly mounted and secured. Amongst everything else, nothing in the tires, nothing leaking, no abrasions, bulges, or cuts, nothing hanging down from the trailer, yada, 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 whatever. Woke up this morning, did my pre-trip, and lo and behold, passenger side fuel caps open. Going, what the hell? Now, I know that cap was on yesterday. So while I was sleeping yesterday or this morning, somebody opened up my fuel cap and pumped out probably 30 gallons or better of fuel. Because it's only...
You have 8 hours and 0 minutes of remaining drive time.
370 miles from Hubbard, Ohio to where I shut down. And there's no way I burned almost half a tank of fuel. No, doesn't happen. Yeah, it just doesn't happen. So they pumped out about 30 gallons of fuel because I have just a little under 5/8 of a tank of fuel. Half a tank would be 4/8, or 1/2. So it's in between the half mark and the 5/8 mark. I know I didn't burn that much fuel. So somebody pumped out about 35 gallons of diesel fuel. And at $5 a gallon, yeah. Thieving bastards. Shame on the mess. Now, I was at a rest area, so of course they don't have any cameras. Not that the cameras at the fuel or at the truck stops are any good, because they just basically watch the fuel pumps. Yeah. Sucks.